Okay, let's get started to make the assembly of this question. After we have taken these three parts from the toolbox, so let's get started to do that. Now let's go to the classwork number 10, problem number 3. Okay, we have these 6 parts plus 3 mechanical parts from the toolbox. Okay, first of all we have to open these parts together. You can do it like this, but usually he will not open all the parts, so you can make it 3. For example, click these 3, open it. Okay, make sure that these 3 parts are opened. Okay, then minimize them. After you open these 3, open a new 3, because usually the SolidWorks is not going to open all these parts together or in the with the full number. Okay, you have to choose 3 and make it simple to the SolidWorks. Okay, so choose 3 parts, then open it, then 3 parts, unlike this. Okay, every time the part is open, just minimize it, make it bigger, then minimize it, make it bigger, then minimize it. So we have these 3. Make sure that these 3. Okay, this is the number 1, this is number 2. Make sure of the title, then EN27435, and make sure it's here. Okay, and this is number 3. Okay, let's open these 3, 6 and 3, 5 and 4. Open it. It takes a little bit some time, but be patient. Okay. So this is number 5. 5. Okay. Minimize it. 5 and 4. Okay. So he opened 5, as you can see, 5, and he opened 4. Okay, so on 5 and 4. So you have to click again on 6. Click on 6 and 3 and 2. Open it. So make sure all the parts are opened before you make the assembly. Okay. Okay, I believe this is number 3 and 6. This is number 6. Okay, minimize it. Minimize this one. Make it bigger, then minimize it. Make it bigger, then minimize it. So we have 2. Here we have 2, 3, 6, 4, 5. Okay, so we have 1. I believe what's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just we need to add number 1. So this is number 1. Open it. Minimize it. Okay, make sure, oops, cancel. Okay, so try to see this is 1, this is 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have these 3 parts. Okay, now you can do the assembly. File, make drawing, make assembly, make the assembly. Okay. Yeah, you can see that all the parts are in this side. If you didn't open these parts and you minimize them, you will not find it here. You will find some of them and you will not find the other parts. You can use browse, but it will take time. It will take some time to add them, and but I like always to make our parts ready in the left side. Okay, so what is the first part? Obviously it will be, this is number 1. So click on one and go to the right side here, click anywhere. Okay, we will keep it fixed because it will not move. Okay, all the parts are on this part. Insert component. Okay, then I'll take number 2. Okay, number 2, I'll push that a little bit. So this is number 2, it will be on this surface. So this is number 2. Now, is this orientation of this part is like this? No. Okay, this is in the front, this is on the right side, so I have to change it to be in the right side. How can we do that? Click this part anywhere, then you can move it from here, move the component. You can move it linear or you can rotate it. So if you click on move, then you choose rotate component and you can rotate it. Okay, just make sure you rotate it. You can rotate it now. Okay, so this is the first one, the first or let's say that this is the choice number 1. Let me give you the easiest way. So insert component, then choose 2. Now before you click anywhere, okay, you have here X and Y and Z. X and Y and Z. We believe that you can choose Y. So if you click on Y, as you can see, the orientation will be okay in the same direction. Okay, if you click Y, 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 try to choose X, 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 X. Try to choose Z, 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 Z. Okay, but Y is the most common button. Okay, so this is Y and this is the orientation of this part. Okay, I'll keep it up here. Click. Okay, now what is the mate here? The mate is very simple. We have to choose this surface, the left surface. It will be on this surface. So mate between the left surface, not the right, the left surface. Click with the left surface here, not the right, the left surface. Check, then check again. Okay, move it up a little bit. Okay, now we have to choose. Okay, we have to choose this sliding part. Okay, let me make it up a little bit. Okay, move it. Move it up a little bit. Okay, now you can see that there is a sliding part down here. So mate this sliding part, sliding area down with the sliding area which is really near to this surface. What is the sliding part that is related to this surface is this one. Okay, so click on that, then check here. Okay, you can see that if you drag the part, it will be sliding. Why? Because we choose this surface and this is the sliding part. So you have two things: the surface with surface, and sliding part with sliding part in the opposite side. Okay, now we have also, he said that keep a distance of 70 millimeters. Keep a distance with 70 millimeters. How can I do that? Very easy. Mate. Okay, choose this surface, click with the opposite surface, this one. He will make these parts connected together with 0 distance. You have to change the distance here and make it 70. Okay, keep it 70, then check. Now we kept this 70 distance. Check. Now we have the number 3. We have the part number 3, and it will be connected to these 3 parts. Let's do that. So insert component, part number 3. Okay, is this orientation is equal to this orientation? For example, we have this T shape, it's in the right, while the T shape here is in the front. So we have to click on the Y, click Y. Yes, now the orientation is correct. Okay, click anywhere. Now this T shape will be inside here, inside this area. Okay, how can we do that? Very simple. The mate, the right surface here with the surface down in the middle, connect it, then check. Okay, drag it down a little bit. This is mate number 1. Mate number 2 is this surface, the upper surface, will be with this surface or this surface, connected to this surface and this surface. So click, then check. As you can see that if you drag it, you will find that we have made the connected surface between this surface and the sliding surface, and this surface with the upper side of this T. Okay, now we have another connection, which is the hole here are connected with the hole down in the of this. So we'll choose the circle, the circle inside, click, mate this one with the circle inside, click here. They will be concentric. The concentric means that they have the same center. They will have the same center. Okay, so this is the T shape and how we make the relation or the connection or the mate between them. Okay, they have these 2 holes have the same center. Okay, then check again. Okay, make it isometric. Okay, let's take the part number 4, which is this one. Okay, the green one, in the next video. Okay, thank you very much.